Welcome back, fellas and fellettes, if there's any girls watching. Here is the new car to the channel, a 2017 Chevy Cruze RS. I washed the dirt off of it before I filmed this. I just wanted to show you guys. It's not bad. I'm going to creme delete it. It's got some work on this side. It needs some fixing. It's got some chips. Interior's filthy. But it ain't bad. Not for what I paid for it. I'm going to show you guys what I can do to a car. Show you guys how to flip them. There's a little bit of damage right there. All in all, though, it's not bad. It's only got 118,000 on it. What do you say we build this one up? Make this one a nice sleeper. You guys up for that? I'm going to get some of those wheel skins. I'm not going to replace the rims. I'm just going to get some of them wheel skins. I want to make this a sleeper. The only thing I'm going to do to the exterior besides paint correction, I'm going to do a chrome delete on everything. Those are going to be black. That's going to be gone. All this chrome's going to be gone. So tell me what you guys think. Trying to keep myself busy, because if I don't, I just sit around and get depressed, because my job, I work for an insurance company, which I'm not allowed to say who for, but I work remote as an auditor, and I basically grade estimates from body shops all day. And, well, not all day. I get my assignments by usually 4 a.m., and I'm up and at them, and I get them done. So my day's usually done by the time I take my son to school. So, what do you guys think? Build it? Let's do it.